Hello? Are you looking for a way to balance your blood sugar levels and live with more energy and energy? Then you need to know about Sugar Defender, the supplement that is transforming lives around the world. Sugar Defender is an advanced formula that combines natural ingredients with cutting-edge technology to offer support in balancing blood sugar levels, more energy and vitality for your daily life, support for a healthy metabolism, helping you feel good every day. And the best part, with a 60-day guarantee so you can try it without any worries. That's right, 100% satisfaction guaranteed or your money back. Imagine what it would be like to wake up every day with more energy, more balance, and in control of your health. With Sugar Defender, this is possible. It helps prevent spikes and drops in blood sugar, promoting stability and well-being throughout the day. And do you know what's even better? Sugar Defender is easy to incorporate into your routine and was designed to help people like you who seek better health and quality of life. Click the link in the description now to place your order and take advantage of our exclusive discount offer. Still in doubt? Don't worry. Sugar Defender offers a 60-day satisfaction guarantee. That means you can try it risk-free or your money back. Place your order now. Don't put it off. Click the link in the description and start your journey to a more balanced and healthy life today.